In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel AliExpress order and get money back. If you placed an order on AliExpress and need to cancel it, timing and accuracy are key. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, what you'll see, and what to expect afterward, so your refund goes back to the original payment method as smoothly as possible. Start by opening your browser and going to www.aliexpress.com. Sign into your account using the same login you used to place the order. Once you're in, look for the My Orders section. This is your dashboard for everything you've purchased, and it's where you'll manage cancellations and refunds. Inside My Orders, locate the order you want to cancel. You can scan by date, product thumbnail, or order number to make sure you've got the right one. It also helps to glance at the order status. If it shows something like awaiting shipment, cancellation is typically more straightforward. If the order has already shipped, the cancel button may not be available, and the platform might not approve a cancellation at that stage. But if you can see cancel order, you can proceed. Click cancel order. A prompt will appear asking you to choose a reason for the cancellation. Pick the option that best matches your situation. Accuracy here matters because it helps the system and the seller process your request more efficiently. Common reasons include changing your mind, ordering the wrong item, or entering the wrong address. Select your reason, review your choice, and then click confirm. After you confirm, you should see an on-screen message indicating that your cancellation request has been submitted. In many cases, the system cancels immediately if the seller hasn't processed the order yet. If the seller has already started handling it, the request might be reviewed first. Either way, keep an eye on the order's status within My Orders. You'll typically see it move to canceled or refund processing once it's approved. For refunds, AliExpress returns the money to your original payment method. Processing times can vary by bank or card issuer, but it's normal for it to take several business days after the cancellation is approved. If you use coupons or promo codes, those may be returned according to the platform's policy. You can check the order details page to monitor any refund updates while you wait. That's it. To recap, log in, go to My Orders, open